Okay, hello student. This is the topic of class 12th, that is electric dipole. This is the topic of class 12th, electric dipole. Okay, now see the definition of electric dipole. What do you mean by dipole? Dipole means two pole. Okay, first pole is negative and second pole is positive. Okay, dipole means two pole. Okay, now see the definition of dipole. An electric dipole is a pair of point charges with equal magnitude and opposite in sign. Okay, a pair of two charges, and what is the condition here? The two charges must be in equal magnitude and opposite in sign. Equal magnitude means if negative charge is 2 coulomb, then positive charge is also of 2 coulomb. Okay, separated by a very small distance. Now see here, this two charges, this is q and this is also q, so the magnitude is same. Now see the sign, first one is negative and second one is positive. Okay, so definition is satisfied. Okay, now this point O is called the center of the dipole. Okay, this point O is called the center of the dipole. Okay, next, dipole moment of an electric field. This is our next topic, dipole moment of an electric field. अब now dipole is a physical quantity. Okay, तो उसकी कुछ ना कुछ क्या होगी, strength होगी. Okay, so dipole moment is used for measuring the strength of an electric dipole. Okay, again I am repeating, dipole moment is used for measuring the strength of the electric dipole. Okay, now see the definition. The strength of an electric dipole is measured by a vector quantity known as electric dipole. Okay, electric dipole moment denoted by P vector, and electric dipole moment is a vector quantity used to measure the strength of an electric dipole. Okay, and it is denoted by P vector, which is the product of charge and separation between the charge, that is 2L. Okay, dipole moment is equal to the product of one charge and the distance between two charges, and distance is always equal to 2 into L. Okay, now suppose this is plus q and this is minus q. Okay, and here it is the center of the dipole, and the distance between plus q and minus q charge is 2L. So this distance will be L. Okay, and this distance will also be L. Okay, now dipole moment P is equal to 2L into Q, or P vector is equal to Q into 2L. Okay, or simply we can say that 2QL. Okay, now see a note. It is a vector quantity and its direction is always from negative to the पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल. हम लोग हमेशा डायपोल का वेक्टर, डायपोल का जो डायरेक्शन है वो क्या लेंगे, इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव टू द पॉजिटिव charge. Okay, and what will be its SI unit? Coulomb meter. Why it is coulomb meter? See, the unit of charge is coulomb and the unit of length is meter. So unit of dipole moment is, electric dipole moment is coulomb meter. Okay, now see the next one. Electric field intensity due to an electric dipole at a point on the axial line. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू एन इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल. ठीक है, हमको क्या करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू एन इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल. ठीक है, किसी भी इलेक्ट्रिक, जैसे कि चार्ज के कारण इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बनती है, ये हम लोग देखे हैं. ठीक है, अ सिंगल सोर्स चार्ज क्रिएट अ सर्कुलर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ठीक है, सिमिलरली अब डायपोल में भी क्या है, चार्जेस आर प्रेजेंट इन द डायपोल. फर्स्ट वन इज नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड सेकेंड वन इज पॉजिटिव चार्ज. नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव चार्जेस आर प्रेजेंट इन द डायपोल. ओके, तो क्या होगा, उसके कारण भी क्या बनेगी, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जनरेट होगी. ओके, तो दो टाइप की इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हम लोग यहाँ पे देखेंगे. फर्स्ट वन, द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज ऑन द एक्सियल लाइन, एंड सेकेंड वन, so there are two types of electric field. First one on the axial line and second one on the equatorial line. Okay, so first we will see the electric field on the axial line due to an electric dipole. Okay, now see, suppose it is a electric dipole. Here minus q charge is present and here plus q charge is present. Okay, and the distance between them is 2L. This is what? The center of the dipole. If the distance between them is 2L, then this distance will be from A to O, it will be L, and from O to B it will be again L. Okay, now axial line पे हम लोग को क्या करना है? We have to take a point on the axial line. Okay, see, this is the axial line. Okay, on the axis of this dipole. Okay, so suppose here it is a point P and we have to calculate the electric field due to this dipole AB on this point P. Okay, now see the directions of electric field. Suppose if there is a single charge, a source charge, okay, that source charge has created the electric field only. Okay, so there are two types of electric field. First one, electric field generated by minus q charge. Okay, and second one, the electric field generated from plus q charge. Okay, now see the center of the dipole. Okay, what is the direction of A towards the center of the dipole? It is left side. Okay, so the electric field due to charge A will be towards the left side from this point P. Okay, now see, what is the direction of the point B towards the center of the dipole? Right side. Okay, so electric field generated by point B will be towards right side from this point P. Okay, so this is a simple concept. अगर हम लोग A का लेंगे तो देखो हम लोग को center of the dipole देखना है. Okay, see the center of the dipole. A किस side है? Left side. Okay, then EA will be on the left. B किस side है? Right side. Okay, then EB will be on right side. Okay, simple concept. Now see the distances. How we will take the distances? Okay, ऑल द डिस्टेंसेस. अगर हम लोग डायपोल से किसी भी चीज़ का डिस्टेंस मेज़र करेंगे, किसी भी पॉइंट का, तो वो कहाँ से मेज़र करते हैं हम लोग? ऑल द डिस्टेंसेस आर मेजर फ्रॉम सेंटर ओनली. ठीक है, तो नाउ सी, फ्रॉम O टू P, सपोज द डिस्टेंस इज x. ओके, तो हम लोग को क्या निकालना है? हम लोग को एक पॉइंट A देखना है और एक पॉइंट B से डिस्टेंस देखना है पॉइंट P का. नाउ सी, द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम पॉइंट A टू P विल बी, दिस डिस्टेंस इज x ओनली एंड दिस डिस्टेंस इज L. So total distance from A to P is x plus L. Okay, now see the distance from B to P. This distance is x. Okay, and this distance is L. Then BP is equal to x minus L. Okay, distance is clear. Now see, since EA and EB are collinear and opposite. ठीक है, see the vectors EA and EB. Okay, now see the direction of EA and EB. Okay, both are linear. Vector EA and EB both are linear and opposite in direction. Okay, see, linear means on a line. Linear vector means the vectors on one line. Okay, present on one line. Okay, now see that EA and EB are collinear and opposite. Then EP is equal to EB minus EA. ठीक है, now see, EB minus EA. Why it is minus? Because the direction of EA and EB are different. Okay, so this will be EP is equal to EB minus EA. Okay, now what is the simple formula of electric field? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by x square. Okay, so for EA, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by, what is the distance from A to P? It is x plus L only. Okay, so distance will be x plus L whole square, and EB is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon x minus L whole square. Okay, we will put these two values in this equation. Okay, then EP will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Okay, Okay, so we will take it as common. Q upon x minus L whole square minus Q upon x plus L whole square. Q is also common here. Okay, so take it common. Okay, now simply take LCM here. X minus L whole square into x plus L whole square, and here it is x plus L, x minus L whole square. Okay, you have to simply solve the LCM. Okay, now EP is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, now that will be x plus L whole square. Okay, now see the formula of x plus L whole square. X square plus L square plus 2xl. Okay, this is the simple formula of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus. Okay, this one is equal to x minus L whole square. So see the simple formula, x square plus L square minus 2xl. ओके, एंड हियर इट इज़, देखो इसका भी होल स्क्वायर था, इसका भी होल स्क्वायर था, तो हम लोग होल स्क्वायर को क्या कर लेंगे, कॉमनली लिख लेंगे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट ई पी इज इक्वल टू क्यू अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट. ओके, यहाँ पे कौन सा साइन था, माइनस साइन था, और पता है हमको कि माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो अंदर वाले सारे साइन क्या हो जाएंगे, चेंज हो जाएंगे. पॉजिटिव था नेगेटिव हो गया, पॉजिटिव था नेगेटिव हो गया, नेगेटिव था पॉजिटिव हो गया. ओके, सो क्या क्या कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर एल स्क्वायर विल बी कैंसिल आउट हियर. ओके, नाउ सी दिस वन, एक्स प्लस एल एक्स माइनस एल, किसका फॉर्मूला दिख रहा है, ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. सो इट इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. होल स्क्वायर तो यहाँ पे पहले से ही था. ओके, सी दिस होल स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट EP is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is 2xl plus 2xl is equal to 4xl, x minus x square minus L square whole square. Okay, अब 4 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 into 2. So this is equal to 2q into 2xl. Okay, 4 pi epsilon naught x square minus L square whole square. Next is 2x into 2ql, and 2ql is equal to dipole moment P. So EP is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2xp upon x square minus L square whole square. as P is equal to 2q, L हमने 2ql के जगह पे क्या कर दिया, P लिख दिया. ओके, नाउ सिंस 2l इज़ वेरी वेरी लेस देन x. अच्छा, जो डाइपोल मोमेंट होता है ना, उनके बीच का डिस्टेंस बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम होता है. ठीक है, हमेशा जो चार्जेस रहते हैं ना, दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर. सो if they are very close to each other, then the distance between them is very much less. Okay, as compared to x. So 2l is very very less than x. Then EP is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2xp upon x square. ठीक है, l को हम लोग को क्या करना है, नेग्लेक्ट कर देना है. then it will be x square whole square. Okay, so EP is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2xp upon x raised to power 4. 1x will be cancelled out, so it is equal to EP is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon x square. Okay, so up to here we have completed the electric dipole on the axial line. Okay, thank you so much class.